Hello and welcome to Lusker Mitsubishi's walk round video Eclipse Cross 3 automatic. It's 2019 this one. We've purchased it from Mitsubishi Direct, so it's been a management car down there. With it being a Mitsubishi, 5-year warranty from date of registration, so you've got until 2024 warranty on this one, which seems an age away. Beautiful colour, lightning blue. It is a current model as well, current model colour. You've got rear camera on this one, as well as the front and back parking sensors, with it being the 3. Decent sized boot. They've also got the split tailgate with the glass there, which makes reversing even easier. Even though you've got the parking sensors, the camera, obviously you've still got this extra added bonus having that glass there. Typical Mitsubishi build quality is just exceptional. You know, they just don't do anything wrong. They never break down. Like I say, they've got a beautiful diamond cut alloy wheels on these. As you can see there, even the parking sensors, they're colour coded blue, and then when they go to the black, they're colour coded black. They're just very, very clever, the Japanese. And obviously I'll take you inside now so you can have a look at the interior. As you can see, well appointed, all your safety features, lane departure, front collision mitigation, automatic stop go. You got a heads up display in this one as well, so it projects the speed and everything. I'll just show you. It's only covered 8,399 miles. Push button start, keyless entry. As you can see, heads up display, that's just popping out of the dash now. So what that basically does, I don't know if you can see that on the video, it actually projects your speed down there. It looks like it's down a tunnel. It's just so your eyes don't have to refocus on the clocks. It's a big safety feature again. You've got a multifunctional display at the top there, which is basically, once you've paired your phone to that, that'll run all your satellite navigation up there as well. Once you've done it, it's all voice activated by that little button there on the steering wheel, so you don't even have to get the phone out of your pocket. So it's all well appointed inside. With it being an automatic, you can still got the option of having flappy paddles. Basically, when you put it into manual mode, you've got an 8-speed box there. Electronic handbrake, auto hold, so you'll be doing best hill starts you've ever done in one. But absolutely brilliant. That second row seats there, that moves backwards and forwards, so you can open your legroom up or open your boot space up, whichever way you want to do it. Dual climate control, and you've also got heated seats as well. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to arrange a test drive or a viewing, by all means just give us a shout. Thank you.